mentors will be able to explain how to access communications from the College Readiness team. We're first going to start by walking through some systems where you'll find resources all year long as you're mentoring. The main system we'll be using is the College Readiness Hub. In the Hub, you will find all the concrete next steps lessons by grade level. There will be a link, objectives, and a facilitation date. You'll use these during our Wednesday community time lessons focused on college readiness. You'll also find the College Readiness program calendar. You'll find important dates, deadlines. You'll see when different events are, parent education events such as our Cash for College night, our college application night, etc. You'll find information on college shortlist, different resources, as well as systems and trackers. There are two different links, one for our California schools, one for our Washington schools. We're going to check out the California College Readiness Hub first. If you check out this hub right here, you are going to see the College Readiness program calendar. You'll see information about what the team is doing. You'll see information about what's going on every Wednesday. For example, if we look at September, the week of September 9th, there is PD set aside, potential topics. There are lessons 9 through 12 during community time. 9th and 10th grade that week would have a circle. 11th grade is thinking about the college timeline eligibility. And then 12th grade is looking at POP preparation. All of those further details about CNS lessons are listed by grade level under the grade CNS mentor lessons. If we look at 12th grade, for example, the facilitation date is listed, the lesson name, the objectives for the lesson, any outcomes, and any mentor actions that are needed. If you click on the lesson name, you will automatically go to a link that gives you the entire lesson plan, some background about it, and any materials that you will need. Again, you'll be using these for your Wednesday community time lessons. Other important things to note about this hub are that you also have some resources to go to. These resources go to a variety of topics in the college application process, between testing, getting ready to apply, the application process, paying for college, and any additional resources. You should use this tab when you have a question. Reference these that have already been pre-curated, and you're welcome to share these with other mentors or your students as it seems fit. The Washington Hub has very similar information. What you should do right now is bookmark these links. Go ahead and press pause here, bookmark the link, and then come back when you're ready. So as a reminder, the College Readiness Hub is for you to use this when you need reminders of specific dates and deadlines in the college process, like admissions deadlines, FAFSA deadlines. You need access to resources around financial aid, admissions, SAT, or you need access to the CNS lessons, which are taught during Wednesday community times. Next up, we're going to talk about some important communication between the College Readiness team and you as the mentor. The Senior Mentor Blast is sent out on a weekly basis with some important content. Let's look at an example. You will receive these blasts via email. This is just an example. In that email, you'll get some updates and reminders, perhaps about the HCC or community time lessons, about upcoming important dates in the college process, or about important reminders on actions need to be taken as a mentor or for your students. You should refer back to these emails when you need reminders about important deadlines for mentees, you need tips for how to support your mentee, or you need upcoming scholarships or community resources for your mentee. Often in the Senior Mentor Blast, we will include those resources. Also, there is a family newsletter. Let's look at an example of that. This newsletter is sent both to senior students and their families. The first one, as an example, some information about the College Readiness program. We have some of our lovely College Readiness team available here. You'll find information about important deadlines there. And then, like I was mentioning, you'll find information about resources. Sometimes we'll include important scholarships or community events coming up that will be shared with families and students via this newsletter, but you can also reference if students have questions. You should refer to this senior and family newsletter when your mentees' families have questions, or you want to check that your messaging as a mentor is aligned to what is being shared with families. At the end of each of our trainings, we do have an exit ticket just to check your feedback and see how effective this training was for you. Go ahead and go to this link, tinyurl.com/videoexit1, and you're going to give us some information on saying if this video is helpful for you and anything else you'd like to share with the College Readiness team. Thanks for watching, and that was our information on systems and comms for College Readiness.